Have you realized that your sleep isn't the same as it used to be? You go to bed at night, and your body is sleepy, but your mind won't let you sleep. You wake up feeling slow, fuzzy, and forgetful. Names fade away. You can't quite say the words. You might stroll into a room and not remember why you're there, and a calm fear starts to creep deep below. Is this normal for getting older, or is my brain getting weaker over time? What if I told you that the food you consumed before bed might be silently fixing your brain cells while you sleep? What if something as easy as fruit could boost your memory, protect your brain cells, and make your mind feel sharper by morning? It's natural, cheap, and safe. Stay with me, because what I have to say today could really impact how you think about eating, sleep, and memory after age 60. And if you're new here, please subscribe to this channel before we go on. This channel is only for older people. We publish natural treatments, medical tips, and lifestyle changes every week that are meant to benefit you. Get more sleep, take care of your heart, help with digestion, make bones and joints stronger, help your brain and memory stay healthy, and keep independent longer. Beyond age 60, you won't miss any information that could help you live a happier, clearer, and more confident life as you get older if you sign up. Let's get started now. Why memory becomes worse when you sleep, and why food matters most. Individuals think that memory loss happens throughout the day. They think it has to do with stress, distractions, or just getting older. And although if daytime routines are important, that's not where the actual trouble starts. Most individuals don't know this. While you sleep, your brain accomplishes most of its vital work. Sleep is more than simply rest. Sleep is a way for your body to fix itself. Your brain goes into a kind of maintenance mode when you sleep, especially when you are in deep sleep. It stops paying attention to the outside world and starts paying attention to its own repair. Your brain does a lot of important things while you sleep well. It gets rid of toxic waste, which is what builds up in your brain as you work, think, and process information over the day. If these wastes aren't cleared properly, they start to harm brain cells over time. Your brain also makes memory associations stronger. This is when today's events are put in order, sorted, and either kept or thrown away. Memories that are important are made stronger. Ones that aren't important go away. Your brain also fixes damaged brain cells at the same time. Stress, inflammation, bad circulation, and even regular aging can harm brain cells every day. These cells are repaired, strengthened, and stabilized as you sleep. And last but not least, sleep helps your brain move short-term memories into long-term storage. That's why things seem clearer in the morning after a good night's sleep. But this is when the trouble starts. This approach for fixing things at night doesn't work as well as we become older. Not because the brain ceases working, but because the conditions for repair aren't as good as they used to be. Let's speak about what gets in the way of this procedure first. Not getting enough sleep. A lot of older people spend ample time in bed, but they don't get deep, restorative sleep. Your brain can't fully repair itself when you sleep lightly. Then there's not enough melatonin. Melatonin is the hormone that tells your brain to fix itself and start over. As you become older, your body naturally makes less melatonin, which makes it harder to get and stay in deep sleep. Next, blood sugar levels go up and down. When blood sugar levels go up and down quickly at night, the brain stops fixing itself and goes into stress response mode. There is also long-term inflammation. Low-grade inflammation slowly harms brain tissue and makes it harder for memories to form. This inflammation frequently gets worse as you get older, even if you don't feel sick. And last but not least, a lack of vitamins and minerals. Many older people eat less, have trouble digesting food, or stay away from specific meals. This means that their brains don't get all the nutrients they need to heal themselves. Any one of these problems can slow down memory restoration. They all work together to make the optimum setting for slow cognitive deterioration. Now, here's the unexpected bit. Your brain can't fix itself on its own. Your brain is like a house that is always being worked on. The workmen come when they sleep, but nothing gets fixed without materials. Your brain needs raw materials to make new connections between neurons. These materials originate straight from the food you eat, without the necessary nutrients. The repairs and finished pathways in memory get weaker, inflammation goes up, sleep gets shorter and lightest. And this is when the timing of meals becomes very important. There are several foods that have strong natural ingredients that help restore the brain at night. These chemicals are helpful. Keep brain cells that are already there, safe sleep, to lower inflammation, help memory consolidation, make sleep chemicals better. But this is very important. These benefits only happen when you consume the appropriate amount, at the right time, and in the right way. Eating the incorrect food too late can damage your sleep and memory, but eating the correct foods at the proper times can help your brain all night long without making a fuss. This is why a lot of older people are angry. They eat healthy, they try to get some sleep, but memory is still hazy. The missing component is how eating at night affects the brain's ability to heal while you sleep. Stay with me, because the first fruit we're going to talk about is something a lot of older people already eat, but they virtually always consume it at the incorrect time of day. This means they miss out on the brain protective advantages that are more strong And once you know this, you'll never see food at night the same way again. Fruit number 1. Blueberries, the brain's nighttime shield. Let's begin with blueberries. Little and nice people often don't give it enough credit, but blueberries are one of the fruits that scientists have looked at the most for how they affect brain health in older people. This is why they are so important at night. Blueberries have a lot of anthocyanins, which are natural plant compounds that lower inflammation in the brain, keep neurons safe from oxidative stress, make it easier for brain cells to talk to each other as we become older. Inflammation steadily affects brain tissue. This damage looks like thinking more slowly, not being able to focus, forgetting things in the short term. Blueberries protect you as you sleep. They aid your brain quiet down inflammation and fix small damage that happens during the day. Now here's something most folks don't know. Blueberries also help blood flow to the brain, which is important for storing memories when you are in deep sleep. Memory restoration just doesn't work well without enough blood flow. When to eat blueberries? To help your memory, when is the best time? Before bed, 1 to 2 hours. A bowl that holds about half a cup is enough. Too much sugar before bed can make it hard to sleep, so don't overdo it. How to eat them for the most benefit? Eat them as they are, or mix with a tiny spoonful of plain Greek yogurt. Don't mix with sweet cereals or honey at night. This mix of foods slows down protein digestion, which keeps your blood sugar constant while your brain functions overnight. Do you already consume blueberries? If so, do you normally eat them in the morning or at night? Because time is more important than most people think. Stay with me, because the next fruit helps your brain make memories while you sleep, and most seniors don't eat enough of it. Fruit number 2. Kiwi, the link between sleep and memory. Kiwi doesn't seem that strong, but that little fruit has a miracle for sleep and memory inside. Kiwi has serotonin that comes from nature's C vitamin, folate, antioxidants that help the brain relax. This is why it matters. Serotonin is a chemical that makes melatonin, which is the hormone that controls deep sleep. Better sleep means better memory storage, better healing of the brain, more stable emotions. Research indicates that consuming kiwi prior to sleep can lengthen the time you sleep less, waking up at night to make deep sleep phases longer. And here's the most important part. Deep sleep is when memory restoration happens. You can't consolidate memories if you don't get enough deep sleep. What happens if you don't get enough deep sleep? You forget what you talked about recently. You feel like your brain is slow. You wake up exhausted even though you slept. Your mood gets weak. Kiwi helps bring back the link between sleep and memory. How much kiwi should older people eat? 1 kiwi is enough. 2 is the best number. Eat it an hour before bed. The best way to eat kiwi: eat it by itself, or cut it up and put it in plain yogurt. Don't mix it with big meals at night. I'll ask you this. Do you wake up in the middle of the night and have trouble going back to sleep? If so, kiwi could help both your sleep and your memory at the same time. But please stay with me. The last fruit on this list not only protects memory, but it also helps repair brain cells. Fruit number 3. Avocado, the fat that repairs the brain. Avocados are technically fruits, and they are one of the healthiest foods for seniors' brains. This is why almost 60% of your brain is fat, not body fat, but structural fat. Brain cells need healthy lipids too. Fix cell membranes, send signals, keep memory pathways open. A lot of the time, as we become older, we stay away from fats. Avocados have monounsaturated fats that help repair brain cells without causing inflammation. They also have vitamin E, keeps neurons safe. Potassium helps nerve signals. Folate lowers the risk of cognitive deterioration. WHY avocado works while you sleep. Your brain fixes its cell membranes during night. Your brain requires the building blocks that the avocado fats offer it. Without them, repairs take longer. How to eat avocado at night without gaining weight? 1/4 to half of an avocado is all you need. Eat it earlier in the night. If you need to mix with mild protein, don't consume a lot of food straight before bed. Let me ask you this. Do you stay away from avocados because you think they'll make you gain weight? If so, you're not alone. But little doses are good for your brain and won't hurt your waistline. What happens when you put these fruits together? This is where everything really becomes strong. So far, we've talked about each fruit on its own, what it does, when to eat it, and why it helps the brain while you sleep. But the true magic emerges when you move these fruits around over time, not all at once, not in big amounts, not every night. This is crucial, so let me say it again in a different way. You don't have to consume all 3 fruits every night. In fact, trying to do too much can make things worse, notably for sleep, digestion, and blood sugar. Your brain doesn't need to be overloaded. Your brain needs things to be the same. Brain restoration is like watering a plant. You can't just pour water on it once a week and expect it to grow. You take care of it little by little over time. And that's how these fruits work. Exactly. A simple turn is all that's needed. For instance, Monday, blueberries, kiwi on Wednesday, Friday. Avocado. This slow rotation gives your brain distinct tools on different nights without overloading your system. Now let's talk about why this mix works so well. Blueberries are full with antioxidants. These keep brain cells safe from damage that happens every day because to stress, pollution, and inflammation. They protect you while you sleep. Kiwi helps with sleep chemistry. It helps balance melatonin levels, which lets you sleep more deeply, where your memory is truly rebuilt and retained. Avocado has good fats in it. These lipids are important for fixing the physical shape of brain cells and making connections between neurons stronger. Each fruit helps a different section of the brain heal. When you turn them, your brain gets one night of protection, another night of deep repair. Rebuilding the structure another night. This makes a layered effect over time. Not big changes overnight, but steady, substantial progress. This is where a lot of folks get brain health wrong. They believe that change has to happen quickly or in a big way to be real. But the brain recovers slowly and without making a sound. What matters most are small modifications that are made over and over again. Let me tell you what occurs when this rotation becomes a habit. Over the course of weeks, inflammation at night starts to go down, the quality of sleep gets better over time, the morning mental fog gets less bad. Over the course of months, remembering things feels more natural, better focus, less tiredness in the mind. This isn't a miraculous drug, it's something better. It's helping your brain heal the way it was meant to. This is something that most people don't know, and it's really significant. Quality is much more important than quantity. It doesn't do much to eat a lot once in a while, but consuming a little bit every day for a long time. This is how the brain really heals itself. A half cup of blueberries, 1 or 2 kiwis, a quarter to half of an avocado. That's all. Your brain doesn't need too much. It needs to be reliable. This method also protects digestion, stops blood sugar spikes, and keeps you from feeling bad at night, all of which are important for excellent sleep and memory. Please, let me ask you something essential. Would it be easier for you to stick to tiny, easy habits than to make significant changes? If the answer is yes, you're not the only one. That's why this strategy works so effectively for older people. Stay with me because next we'll speak about the most typical mistakes seniors make when they eat fruit at night. These blunders might cancel out all of these benefits without you even knowing it. Seniors often make these mistakes when eating fruit at night. Let's talk about something really vital now, because even nutritious foods can be bad for you if you don't use them well. Fruit is strong, but you have to be careful with fruit, especially at night. A lot of older people want to do the right thing. People tell them that fruit is good for them, so they eat it a lot and at odd times, such late at night or with the incorrect foods. And then they ask themselves why. Sleep gets worse, blood sugar levels seem to be all over the place. Memory doesn't get better. Let's go over the most common mistakes carefully and explicitly so you can prevent them without getting stressed. Mistake number 1. Eating fruit too late at night. This is one of the most important problems. Even if the fruit is healthful, eating it soon before bed can make it hard to sleep. Why? Because fruit has sugars that are good for you. If you eat them too late, the sugars can raise blood sugar a little, make you more alert, make you wake up at night. Your body goes into processing mode instead of helping your brain heal itself. You don't have to stop eating fruit at night though. It just indicates that timing is important. The optimum time to eat fruit at night is usually 1 to 2 hours before bed. This lets your body digest slowly while still helping your brain heal while you sleep. If you've ever eaten fruit late and then felt restless, you're not imagining it. Have you ever observed that it's difficult to go asleep when you eat late? Mistake number 2. Eating too much fruit at night. At night, more is not better. Eating a lot of fruit can cause high blood sugar levels, pain in the stomach, going to the restroom a lot at night. All of them make it hard to sleep deeply. And don't forget that memory healing happens when you sleep deeply. You don't need a lot of fruit for your brain. It needs exactly the right amount. Small amounts are strong. A half cup of berries, 1 or 2 kiwis, a quarter to half of an avocado. These quantities help the brain without putting too much load on the body. This could be why you didn't sleep better. You thought, I'll eat more because it's good for me. Mistake number 3. Putting sugar in fruit. This is a pretty typical mistake that hurts a lot. Natural sugars and fiber are balanced in fruit on its own. But when you blend fruit with honey syrup, yogurt with sugar sweets, that balance is gone. Sugar added to food makes inflammation worse, especially at night. And inflammation hurts brain cells and memory pathways directly. This is why individuals typically feel groggy the next morning after eating fruit-based treats at night. The answer is easy. Eat fruit without anything on it, or mix it with protein that isn't sweet, such plain yogurt or almond. This keeps your blood sugar stable and protects your brain as you sleep. Do you normally eat fruit by itself or with something sweet? Mistake number 4. Not paying attention to when you sleep at all. Some older people eat healthful foods, but not all the time. They eat fruit at 6 p.m. one night, another night at 10 p.m. not at all. Another night routine is good for the brain. The brain doesn't know when to go into repair mode when their times for eating and sleeping fluctuate all the time. Habits that you do all the time are more important than habits that you do well. Give it a shot. Have fruit at the same time every night. Go to sleep at about the same time, get up at the same time. This consistency gives your brain time to get ready to heal. And with time, memory gets better on its own. A soft reminder: fruit is not the enemy. There is nothing harmful about fruit. Don't be afraid of fruit. But you should only eat fruit on purpose, especially after age 60. When you eat at the perfect time, in the right amount and the correct mix, fruit becomes a strong friend for more sleep mornings that are clearer, better memory, brain aging that is better for your health. Stay with me, because in the last part, we'll put everything together and teach you how to make this information into a simple, stress-free routine that you can do every night. Let's go over it again. Your brain wants to do this as you sleep tonight. Fix cells, make memory stronger, get rid of toxins. The 3 best fruits for this technique are: blueberries, good for memory; kiwi can help you sleep better and remember things better; avocado fix the configuration of brain cells. These are easy tools, but if you use them regularly, they can really help over time. Please like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. By signing up, you'll keep getting weekly health tips developed, particularly for seniors. These tips will help you live longer, clearer, and happier after you turn 60. Also, please leave a remark and let me know what fruit would you like to sample first tonight. I'd love to hear from you.